Welcome to our tutorial on how to find a co-curricular activity. In this video, we will review how to locate the list of pre-approved co-curricular activities to meet your honors requirement at Mesa Community College. By the end of our time together, you should also know the details of meeting the co-curricular requirements, the different co-curricular categories offered, and how to navigate from Canvas to the co-curricular webpage. Let's begin. Open your preferred web browser. Go to mesacc.edu/honors. This will direct you to the honors main webpage. If you haven't already done so, bookmark this page by selecting the star in the upper right-hand corner of your URL box. This is extremely important as most of your questions as an honors student can be answered by going to the honors website. From there, locate the tab on the left titled Co-Curricular Requirement. This is where the full explanation of the co-curricular requirement is explained. What it is, the different requirements for President's Honor Scholarships and Honors Award recipients, examples of pre-approved activities, also known as our categories for our co-curricular activities. We have cultural arts, academic lectures, academic involvement, campus involvement, and volunteer activities. We also have instructions on how to submit your co-curricular activities, and we will be going over the precise steps in another video titled How to Submit a Co-Curricular Activity. You will also find the listed due dates for each of your required co-curricular activity submissions. There are several links to the pre-approved co-curricular activity list on this page as well. As stated, there are several methods of viewing the pre-approved co-curricular activity list. You can follow any of the links on the co-curricular requirement page, or locate the tab on the left titled Co-Curricular Events and Activities. If you're starting from the Canvas Honors course, you can go to my.maricopa.edu and locate the Canvas tab. Remember to sign in with your MEID and password. Be sure to have your alternate device available for the Duo Push Authentication notification. There are weekly announcements posted with that week's list of activities. You can either view all announcements by selecting the megaphone from your dashboard, or from the home page of the Canvas course, select the menu option Announcements on the left. Here is an example of one of the announcements that gets sent out. These are the pre-approved scheduled events offered for this week. For a list of on your own time co-curricular activities, follow the link posted and scroll down the page until you see co-curricular activities by category. This concludes our video on how to find the co-curricular activities for your honors requirement at Mesa Community College. For additional questions, or if you're unsure of which scholarship program you are participating in, please return to mesacc.edu/honors to review the scholarship descriptions, requirements, and to view additional how-to videos about our program. Thank you.